Alright, third video, we're going to talk about multiplying complex numbers. We're not going to worry about any of this. We're going to treat the I like a variable, except we're going to use the fact that I squared is -1. So in practice, we use the distributive property, we use FOIL, we use the table method for multiplying, and we use I squared equals -1. So mostly we're just going to distribute, and we're going to replace the I squared with -1, because after all, that's what I squared equals. It equals -1. So let's see how this works. Example 5, part A. We're going to do the distributive property. We're going to do 4i times -6. Then we're going to do 4i times I. That is 4i squared. So 4i times -6 is -24i. 4i times I is 4i squared. We're going to replace the I squared with the -1. So we have 4 times -1, which becomes -4. And then we're going to switch the order so that we have it in standard form. In standard form, the real part comes first, so the real part is -4, the imaginary part is -24, and we have our answer. Alright, part B. I'm going to show you the table for this one. And we're going to kind of waffle back and forth between the distributive and the table because they are the same thing. So we put our 9 minus 2i up here as one of our factors. We put our -4 and our 7i over here. -4 plus 7i is our other factor. We're going to do our 9 times our -4. 9 times -4 and get -36. We're going to do our 9 times our 7i and get 63i. So what we've done is we've taken the 9 times the -4. We've taken the 9 times the 7i. Now the -2i gets to multiply with the -4. Negative times negative turns into a positive 8i. And lastly, the -2i times the 7i. And personally, I don't usually use the table to multiply. I use the distributive property, but you can do either one. It'll come out the same. So what we now have is -36 plus 8i we have a plus 63i, and we have a minus 14i squared. Make that one a little smaller. And then we replace the I squared with the -1. So this is -14 times -1, which is positive 14. I'll move him over there. And I'm going to add the 8i and the 63i because they are like terms. -36 plus 14 is -22. 8 plus 63 is 71. So we have 71i. And we have our answer. Now, you can pause the video, and when you come back, check your answers for the monitoring progress. Okay, check your answers on the monitoring progress, and that's the end of video number 3.